Good afternoon, students. This is our 7th class 5th lesson, heat and measurement. So, already you know, so you learned in 6th class. Okay, what is the heat? Heat is, it will pass to the which one is the hot vessel to it will move to the cool vessel. So, any object you can take now. So, that suppose the water is there, no, that is the very heat means it will change it into the cooler. After that only it will change the neutral. And suppose the heat when you are sitting under the sunlight, no, what will happen? Your body it will change the heater, and climate also it will change. No, that time only that weather it will change and that climate. So winter season and rainy season. Okay, and this season is the summer season. We are wearing the different type of clothes. Okay, so in the summer season we are wearing the light clothes, and when this is the winter season, in the winter season we are wearing the sweaters. Okay, why? Because they can give the warmth to our body. And suppose which one is cool, which one is hot, we are thinking means suppose some examples is there. Ice cream is there, no? Suppose that is cold or hot means very cold. Suppose hot tea is there, no? That is the cold or hot means that is the hot only. Okay, so like that only we are observing. Okay, which one is the heat, which one is the cool. Okay, and suppose this it will shows the degree Celsius. So this one we have to tell the temperature. But here activity given, that is the let us do one. See, in the 3 beakers you can take. In first beaker you can take the cold water, and second beaker you can take the lukewarm water. Third beaker you can take the hot water. Suppose here only cold water, lukewarm, hot water is there. No, you can stand like that, and you can put your finger in the hot water, and you can put the finger in the cold water. You can put in the first beaker. Suppose first beaker you can put the left hand finger means. In the third beaker you can put the right hand finger, and you have to keep simultaneously at a time. After that you have to remove it after 2 minutes later, and you have to put 2 fingers in the lukewarm water. That time we will observe. Okay, one is the cool, one finger is the cool water, another hot water is getting the hot water, another finger is. So after that only you are confusing. Why? Because one is the cold water finger and another one is the hot water finger. You are thinking like that. So sometimes we are confusing. So that's why we are keeping the we are showing that is the temperature. And next heat a form of energy. Heat is there, no? This heat also one form of energy. When you can sit under the sunlight, no, that time you will get that heat is the energy. And when this winter season will come, now you have to sit and you want to sit outside. Why? Because you need the heat. Okay, and like that only we are feeling. Why? Because the seasons it will change, and our habits also it will change. Okay, so like that only we are doing. Here is best example. Heat a form of energy means suppose in your kitchen room your mother is cooking the rice. When she is cooking the rice, now after some times what will happen? You are already giving the fire energy. So after that water it will boil. And on that only vessel. Suppose this is the vessel. In that only rice is preparing. On that only one lid is there. It is there. When you can give the fire. Okay, when you can give the fire through the sticks means what will happen? That lady it will do the dance. Why? Because it will do the dance up and down, it will move. Why? Because how much the water, the boiled water value is there, no? Like that only that evaporation is pushing to the lid. So this one also, this one we have to say the heat energy. Like that only it will change. And where it will come the energy means you are firing. You are giving the fire. After that only that lid it will moves up and down. And next in your daily life we are using the electric heaters, iron box. Okay, electric heater we are using. Now what will happen when you can put the electric heater? That energy it will change. Okay, that mechanical energy it will change into the heat energy. Okay, like that only going on. Everything is we are using. And in the thermal power station we are using the coal. After that only it will change it into the thermal energy. Like that also it is a form of energy. And let us do conversion of energy only given. Here see, conversion of energy means in that only when rub your palm. Your palms is there, you can rub like this, and you have to put on your cheek. What will happen? You can the cheek it will change like heart. And have you ever observed that iron becomes hard when it is beaten with a hammer? You have to beat, it will change at the heat energy. And take a soap nut. In olden days we are using the soap nut, but nowadays not using. You have to rub on the wall and you have to touch in any place. What will happen? It will get the heat energy. Like that only, that energy it will change into the conversion of energy. And already everyone you knows heat and temperature. Heat and temperature means this is the thermometer. Already when you are suffering from fever and when you will get the any problem, no, this is no, that time you have to meet to the doctors, no, that doctors they are using the thermometer. See, this is the thermometer figure, very important. You can observe the readings is 0 to 100 readings. Your hook means when you are holding, no, and the hook is there and this is the stem is there. Here capillary tubes and that only readings is there. And down is the glass bulb is there, and in that only keeping the mercury. What purpose they are keeping the mercury means what will happen? Suppose they are, this mercury is not sticking to the stem and capillary tube, and it will showing the good result. Okay, like that only we are using. But what purpose we are using only mercury, and instead of mercury we have to use alcohol also. So this one only given here. This is very important. This figure and this property of mercury is there. Properties of alcohol also is there. You can observe once properties of mercury. We are using in the thermometer. No, doctors using. When you are getting the fever, that time also is. Its expansion is uniform. Uniform means same, equal. This top to bottom, and this one only is showing, no, that is the equal. To expand means increasing. This top to down to bottom. Like that one expansion is uniform, not sometimes high, not sometimes low. And it is opaque and shining. Opaque means not showing anything. Only mercury only is showing, and mercury is the shining. It will shine, and it does not stick to the slides of the glass tube. This glass tube is there. Now when the mercury is there, that is not sticking. Only it will move the freely, and it is a good conductor of heat. When it will show the heat and temperature, no, that time this is the very good conductor, and it is easily available in pure state. This mercury we will get in the pure state. This 5 and 6 very important. It will come in the exam point of view. Next, properties of alcohol. Suppose this mercury is not there, they are using the alcohol. It can record very low temperature. When the very low temperature is there, no, that time also they are using the alcohol. It expansion per degree Celsius, showing the temperature is degree Celsius, and this is the very large. It can be colored brightly and hence is easily visible. This is the easily visible, so that's why only we are using the alcohol. These two properties is very important. And how to use a thermometer? Already this thermometer is there, no? You have to use only given means, suppose this is thermometer. You can put your palm like that. Okay, palm like that, and you have to see your palm temperature. Then you can put like that only. You can hold with the hook, and starting is 0 reading is there. After that you can put the 3-4 minutes. After that this mercury is there. No, it is rise up. So that time only you have to observe when it will changing the level and when it will steady and when it will stop. No, that time only you should remove and observe. So that is your palm temperature. Like that only you have to use the thermometer. And who invented this first thermometer means Galileo in 1593 AD. This is the very important. And next class I will complete this lesson. Thank you.